Encountering a fatal device hardware error can be frustrating. Fortunately, there are a few troubleshooting steps you can take. First, ensure your internet connection is stable. Open Microsoft Edge or your preferred web browser, and navigate to fast.com to check your internet speed. If your connection is performing well, proceed to the next step. Since this error often points to hard drive issues, performing a chkdsk scan is a good idea. While this is particularly effective for HDDs, it is still worth trying if you have an SSD or a USB drive. To initiate a chkdsk scan, search for Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type chkdsk //F and then press Enter. Another crucial step is to run a system file checker scan. Again, search for Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt, type sfc /Scannow and press Enter. This process will begin repairing corrupted system files. After exploring these solutions, it is important to note that for this specific error, these are the most commonly effective methods. If the problem persists, the most reliable approach may unfortunately be to replace the hardware. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.